are you guys? Welcome to Dora Ustari's Young Living. I'm an executive with Young Living Essential Oils, and we have been using essential oils for 3 years in my house. I love this company because they're not only in the process of distilling great quality essential oils, but they cultivate everything from the seed that goes into the soil to the plant, the trees, the flower. It's nourished and taken care of so well. They don't use any chemicals or pesticides. They are a wonderful company with a very strong mission in providing you the best quality essential oils in the planet. That's why they're the leader. They're the #1 company. They have been doing the essential oils since essential oils were not cool. Now everybody's talking about them, but they've been distilling essential oils since 1994. So over 20 years of good quality oils. And I am so lucky to be talking to you guys about them and actually having witnessed how much they have changed our health in our house for all of us in the past 3 years. Most of you know I have a son with autism. He's special needs, he's 8, and I started using essential oils because of him. And it has been quite an amazing journey of seeing this kid just grow strong, healthy, focused, able to participate in his activities. He is just wonderful, and we're so lucky that we have been doing a lot of different things, but we have incorporated essential oils to kind of put that last piece of the puzzle into his blooming and just enjoying life. So it's been wonderful to witness in my family, and I wish for all of you guys, if you don't have essential oils, to at least give them a try. I would love to help you get them, educate you, just get your hands on them and get you started. So, and if you do have your account with Young Living, I encourage you to use them every day. They are wonderful. You need to put them on your skin. You need to inhale them through the diffuser, right from the bottle. You need to, Young Living, you can actually ingest essential oils. Young Living has a Vitality line, which is the white label that you see. This is our Lavender Vitality, and this is our regular lavender. It's exactly the same oil, but for all regulation and marketing purposes, we have to define the labels into Vitality oil, which is your kitchen oil. You can cook with it, you can make different recipes, and your topical and aromatic use essential oil. The Vitality oil is really good. You can make lemon lavender. You can make a tea with it to help you promote relaxation and happy feelings. So it's a great little oil. In February, we're talking all about lavender. So we have already talked about the common uses of lavender, what lavender it's good for, how it helps us stay healthy and stress-free. And now today I'm here to talk to you about different recipes of what we can do at home with lavender. And I'm going to show you some of my own personal recipes that I use every day in my house to help my kids fall asleep and to help us be happy, to help us deal with seasonal irritants in the air, to support us when things are getting, kind of like crazy out there. So this is how we use lavender. I'm going to use this really cute little fun book. It's a fun, easy recipes with your starter kit, which is all these oils that we have here. So you have all kinds of recipes from all the 11 oils that come in your starter kit. And I'm giving this fun little book for free to every one of you that joins my organization and decides to create an account with Young Living using me as a reference. Then you're going to get this book, okay? It's a great little book. I'm so happy I have it. And it's by 2 Young Living Diamonds, Chelsea Bruno and Dana Ripepe, actually are the authors of this book. And they have created this really fun, interactive book with really easy to do recipes for your house. So we're going to use lavender recipes from the book. So the first one is a lavender seasonal wellness. Okay, so this is when the air is full of polluted irritants that cause us to have some symptoms that we don't want, and we're dragging our feet. Maybe we're not breathing our best, we're not sleeping, and we're just kind of like out of whack because everything we're breathing in is making us sick. Hi, Romina. Thank you for joining me this morning. So most of you that are going to be joining me in the replay, welcome and happy to have you. So the seasonal wellness support is super cool because you get to use lavender, you get to use lemon, which is this oil right here. It comes in your starter kit. That's lemon. And you also get to use peppermint, and that's this oil right here, okay? So with those three oils, they actually support our health through seasonal changes, things that are happening in the air that is causing us to not feel our best. So what you want to do is you want to get a roller bottle like this, okay? It's glass, so the essential oil that goes in there, it's actually stays healthy, it stays good. You don't want to use plastic with your essential oils because they're so powerful that it can actually corrode the plastic and erode the chemicals in it. So you don't want any contamination with your essential oil. So that's why I always recommend to use glass. Okay, so what you do is you get 8 drops of lavender oil. You put your essential oil first. So you put 8 drops of lavender, then you do 6 drops of lemon, and then you do 6 drops of peppermint. And I like Young Living essential oils because it has this reducer that it lets your essential oil come out very slowly, drop by drop. So it's super easy to count the drops. Well, then what you do, once you have your essential oil in there, you add coconut oil. I like to use fractionated coconut oil because it stays liquid and it won't solidify in my roller. And then if it's winter, then it'll stay liquid all the time. And I use this in my purse. I have them in my night table. I carry them with me. My kids get rolled with the seasonal support just about every day. So what you do then, once you have your essential oil, you just fill it up to the top with your coconut oil, the fractionated coconut oil. This is the roller, so of course you take this out and you can snap it back on, and then you cap it. You shake it, you give it a couple of shakes, and then your roller's ready to go. The way you would apply it is on your pulse area, so I would apply it on my wrist, right here. Then I would apply it right here on my forehead, and on the bridge of my nose. So I would do it right here and right here, but be very careful not to get too close to your eyes. You want to stay as far away from your eyes as possible, but you also want to get this area here where your sinuses are located and get some relief that way. You can also use the back of your ear, the back of your neck, and definitely your chest. So you're breathing that peppermint, you're breathing that lemon and that lavender, and it's helping you get back to wellness and feeling better and breathe better. So it's a great little recipe. Another recipe that I want to share with you is, this is one of my favorites, lavender pillow spray. You want to get a 2-ounce glass spray bottle like this. Okay, they sell them at Amazon. I can put the link. So you want to get a glass spray bottle. What you do is you add 10 drops of lavender essential oil to your glass bottle. So you go ahead and drop, then you add with water and you close it. And this is your bedroom spray. You can spray your pillows, you can spray your bedding. You want to shake it before you use it so the water and the oil mix really well. But this is a great way to ease into relaxation. You know, you go to sleep and your pillows smell delicious from lavender. It promotes good sleep and relaxation and calm, so you're ready to have a good night's sleep. Sometimes it's hard for us to unwind after a busy work day or taking the kids to different places and sports activities, that it's hard to just switch from go to all of a sudden, oh my God, it's bedtime, I gotta go to sleep, and just fall asleep. So sometimes we need an extra support, and having lavender essential oil in our diffuser, in our bed pillow spray, in our roller is just, it's amazing. Another recipe that I want to share with you is the soothing skin spray. And with that recipe, you want to use 12 drops of lavender essential oil. You want to use aloe vera gel. You want to also get witch hazel. And witch hazel I have right here because I use it a lot. Witch hazel, you can find it at different supermarkets or drugstores or Amazon. And witch hazel is really good because it soothes the skin. It's actually very good because it helps the skin kind of like heal itself. So you mix all that with water. You want to use 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. You mix all that with water. You put it in a glass spray bottle and you spray it again. And you use that in areas of the skin that are maybe a little bit of irritated, that are a little bit reddened, you're having a little bit of discomfort. So you want to apply it to the area that it needs use, that it needs application to. So very local. I want to share with you, it's not in the book, but I also want to share with you my focus roller. I call it my focus pocus roller. And it's the same thing. You get a glass roller bottle, but the ingredients for this one is lavender, of course. We're talking about lavender. So you want to use 5 drops of lavender essential oil. You want to use 5 drops of cedarwood essential oil. And cedarwood is really good because it helps calm the mind, your thoughts. It helps you focus. Cedarwood also is very helpful with the production of melatonin by the pineal gland in our brain. So when we put cedarwood, the melatonin actually helps settle us a little bit. It doesn't help us go to sleep during the day because you need more, but just a little bit, it helps us become settled and able to focus. And I also add vetiver. Vetiver is a well-known essential oil that helps you and promote concentration, focus, calming the mind, slows your thought process. You're able to stay on task longer. So those 3 oils are little powerhouses in making a really good focus roller. So again, it's vetiver, 5 drops, lavender, 5 drops, and cedarwood, 5 drops. You put them all in your roller. You add your fractionated coconut, liquid coconut oil, or almond oil, or jojoba oil, whatever carrier oil you have. That is a fatty oil that will mix well with the essential oils. And then your kids can carry this in the backpack. They can put it on when they feel the need. You can put it again on the wrist. You put it behind your ear. You just roll it, the back of your neck, and in your chest. And that will help you maintain your concentration throughout the day. Another good recipe that I really like to use for bedtime, for sleeping, is adding lavender with frankincense to my diffuser. This is frankincense. And these 2 oils, when combined in your essential oil diffuser at bedtime specifically, really help you calm down. It really helps you to center yourself, to balance your emotions, just to come back inside. A lot of our days is giving to people, giving to our jobs, giving to our spouses, to our kids, and we take a lot out of us. A lot of energy comes out of us to maintain all the balls in the air and everything perfect and everything running smoothly and as much as possible. And at night it's very hard that we feel like, well, what about me? What am I going to do for me? You know, it's 9 o'clock at night. So I want something for myself. So one way that I do to give back to me some good, yummy feelings of, you know, accomplishment and relaxation and feeling good, not feeling depleted, filling my glass. As a mom of 2 boys and one with special needs, is frankincense and lavender. These 2, amazing. If you just would try it, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. So thank you for listening to me. I hope these recipes, you find them helpful. I want to give you this book, so call me. I would love to give you this book so you can have some fun recipes that you can use with lavender essential oil at home, and we can get started. So thank you again for listening. Thank you for coming to my page, Dora Ustari's Young Living, and we'll see you again next time. We'll be doing a Q&A next week, so shoot out your questions about lavender essential oils and recipes and things that you want to know. So go ahead and we'll talk later, okay? So look forward to hearing from you. Bye. Take care.